Hi, let's make an application that will be licensed using MISCommunicator, a Kalipso voice terminal license. So first thing, let's check MISCommunicator. Let's check the connections. Okay. Permissions. Okay. So I will install the license here on MISCommunicator, Advanced Options. Install online key. Let me copy my license. Someone from SysDev should send you this. Okay, it's installed. Let's check that license. Okay, it's here. Exit. Let me just, the 8 days, this is not the end of the license. This is just the time that you can have the license without internet. Okay, so the end of the license will be by the end of this year. Okay, so let me start this. First thing, let's check if our application will connect with MISCommunicator. So first thing, create a communication profile with the same settings. Okay, password. Action. Ping MISCommunicator. Message, just a simple test if the connection is all right or not. Okay, so I will also enable voice. Okay, and I have to tell the project voice settings that the license now it's using MISCommunicator. Okay, normally it's like this, but if you want to use MISCommunicator, it's like this. Let's save. And if this is the first time that you are testing, you should test and update Kalipso client, because key client for voice it's different from regular key client. Okay, this should take a little bit longer because of the Kappa client. And we will see an error when we open the first time because this application is not yet licensed. Okay, sending the project. Let me show my screen. Okay, so you see, now our application is not yet licensed. Let me check if I can reach MISCommunicator. So I can reach MISCommunicator. So let's license this. I will need the serial number of the device. Okay, and the serial number, I can get the serial number like this. Oh, it's sorry, I will do this again. Get serial number. Okay, I can show the serial number on the screen. Set value. Put. Okay, and I can also save the serial number to a file and then use that. So file, save content, diff folder. Sometimes diff folder will not work on the recent Android versions, but on mice will work, and I will make my life a little bit easier. The value, okay, that's it. Now I don't need to update the key client, it's already Kalipso voice. Okay. Okay, we have a serial number. Let me grab that. I will connect my phone as a memory. Load. It's this one. So I will grab the serial number, go to MISCommunicator, license serial, copy paste, add, exit, close that again. And now I can just exit the application and open again. Now I don't get any error and the application is licensed. Okay, thank you.